Welcome to this video on the creation of a value strategy. After completing this video, you will be able to explain the steps required to build a value strategy. How do you use the PE ratio to create a value strategy? You will use PE ratio to identify the undervalued stocks and go long on them. Let us take 5 companies as an example, shown on the screen. Now you will calculate the PE ratio of the companies using the formula. PE ratio is equal to stock price divided by the earnings per share. All right. Now you have the PE ratios, as shown on the screen. Let's assume that you have to pick only 2 assets from this universe for your portfolio. How do you pick the most undervalued stocks? The stocks with the lowest PE ratios are the most undervalued stocks. Let's rank these stocks based on the PE ratios then. Here, since GM has the lowest PE ratio, it is ranked 1. Since you have to pick 2 stocks, you will pick GM and JP Morgan as they are the most undervalued stocks. Great! You can now go long on the top 2 undervalued stocks from our universe of 5. But should we rely on only one financial ratio? You can try to find the undervalued stocks according to the PB ratio also. The formula to calculate the PB ratio is shown on the screen. Let's calculate the PB ratios of the 5 stocks now. Similar to the PE ratio, the assets with the lowest PB ratios are the most undervalued. Let's rank the assets according to the PB ratio. This is interesting. According to the PB ratio, GM and Berkshire are the top 2 undervalued stocks. But according to the PE ratio, it is GM and JP Morgan. How do you select only 2 stocks based on the ranks of both PE and PB ratio? One solution is to simply take the average of the ranks. The result is shown on the screen. Hence, you will pick GM and JP Morgan as the top 2 undervalued stocks. You will rank these assets monthly and go long on the top 2 stocks.